Alright guys, this is a quick tutorial for using Java with JDBC connection. So I'm going to call it Java underscore JDBC. We're going to be using Maven as the build tool. I am going to use the sample code and I'm going to create it. So you're going to get two files, the POM file because of the Maven build tool, and then the main file. We don't need this part of the code, so we're going to get rid of it. I don't need that part either. We're going to start by importing java.sql and then the wildcard, so we get everything we need from there. And then next we're going to go to our build tool and we're going to add a dependency. Because I am using Postgres, I'm going to add a Postgres dependency, which I have set up here. I'm just going to paste it, and I'm going to let Maven make sure to add that. Now what we need to add are going to be the credential information, so final string db_url, and this one is specific to Postgres and it is a local database. And let's go with username Postgres. And lastly, we have the password, which is specific to whatever you put in your DBMS. Okay. I'm going to use a try catch block. Exception E. For database connections, you do need them. Connection objects. Driver manager. Get connection. And here we can just put in B. I'm just going to do URL. Because I have a username and password, I'm going to use these other parameters as well. So we can test if this is connected here. We can say this out, e.gets message, and let's run it. And so we can see we're connected. We're not getting any errors in terms of the connection. So we can continue to work on this. So next we're going to need a statement object, which we're going to get from con.createStatement. And the statement's basically just going to hold a query. In here I'm actually going to just write the query. SQL statement equals whatever string we put here. Select star from coffee. So this is the same statement you plug into your database. So let's go over here. Now we need a result set. Result set is basically just the results of the query, which is a result set object. And I'm going to run this here. Dot execute query, and here we're going to run the actual statement. And now we have the results inside the result set object. The result set object has like a cursor that is like one step before the actual data. So what we're going to do is we're going to do result dot next to push the cursor, and then we're going to go ahead and display the info here. Result dot get string, because this column is a string. Description, and that looks fine. And now if we hit Okay, so now when we actually run the main class, you're going to see all of the information from the database here. Additionally, just to show a little bit more, this is the database, and the database is CoffeeDB. And if I were to run this same select statement, I would get the same information. And this is just basically showing that it is connected. And again, this is just an example of a simple connection with Java, JDBC API, and Postgres.